Hi everyone, hopefully you're doing well. I am Ashley from digitizings.com. After many requests, today we'll share details about Tajima TFMX-SC embroidery machine. But before we start, if you need embroidery digitizing, vector art services, or even digital marketing solutions, check out digitizings.com. Services start at just $5 with fast delivery, free edits, and secure payment options. Common problems and troubleshooting, Tajima TFMX-SC embroidery machine. Introduction, welcome to digitizings.com. In this video, we will discuss some common problems that embroidery machine owners face with the Tajima TFMX-SC and how to troubleshoot them. If you own this machine, this guide will help you fix issues quickly and keep your embroidery running smoothly. Thread breaks frequently. One of the most common issues is thread breakage. This can happen due to several reasons. Causes: incorrect thread tension, old or low quality thread, damaged or incorrectly inserted needle, dirty or damaged thread path. Troubleshooting: check and adjust the upper thread tension. Use high quality embroidery thread. Replace the needle and ensure it is inserted correctly. Clean the thread path and remove any lint or debris. Bobbin thread issues. Bobbin thread problems can lead to poor stitch quality or thread breakage. Causes: bobbin not wound properly, bobbin tension too tight or too loose, lint or dirt in the bobbin case. Troubleshooting: ensure the bobbin is wound evenly and inserted correctly. Adjust the bobbin tension using a screwdriver. Clean the bobbin case regularly to remove dirt and lint. Machine skipping stitches. Skipped stitches can ruin an embroidery design and need immediate fixing. Causes: worn out or damaged needle, incorrect needle type for the fabric, improper thread tension. Troubleshooting: replace the needle with a new one suited for the fabric type. Ensure the needle is installed correctly. Adjust the upper and bobbin thread tension as needed. Design misalignment. If your embroidery design is not aligning properly, it could be due to causes: loose hooping of fabric, machine movement during stitching, incorrect design settings. Troubleshooting: ensure the fabric is hooped tightly without wrinkles. Place the machine on a stable surface to prevent movement. Double check the design settings before starting the embroidery. Machine not starting or stopping unexpectedly. If your machine refuses to start or stop suddenly, check the following. Causes: emergency stop button engaged, loose power connection, thread, detection sensor issue. Troubleshooting: release the emergency stop button. Check the power supply and ensure it is plugged in securely. Clean the thread sensors to ensure they function correctly. Conclusion: these are some of the most common problems with the Tajima TFMX-SC embroidery machine and their solutions. Regular maintenance and proper handling can help you avoid most of these issues. If you still experience problems, consult your machine's manual or contact a professional technician. For more embroidery tips and troubleshooting guides, subscribe to our channel and visit digitizings.com. Happy embroidering!
If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit, debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.